The universe is vast, far beyond our world, our sun, our galaxy. Out there in the endless dark, something stirs. Something ancient, immense, and unknown. Tonight we stand on the edge of a revelation that will shake the very foundations of what we believe. A single whisper from the dawn of time has reached us, a cosmic message hidden in the light of distant stars waiting to be decoded. The James Webb Space Telescope, humanity's most powerful eye, peers deeper than ever before. It captures light that has traveled for billions of years, revealing secrets from the universe's infancy. But what it found was not what we expected. The data defies our models. The cosmos has delivered a riddle, an anomaly that challenges everything we know. In science, the greatest discoveries begin not with certainty, but with a single haunting question. What is that? It's the moment the universe dares us to look deeper. Webb's vision has unveiled a cosmic enigma, a question mark etched across the face of creation. It is a mystery that echoes from the birth of time, shaking astronomy to its core. This is not just a discovery, it is a challenge, a call to rethink every theory, every equation, every story we've told about our place in the cosmos. The silence of space has been broken. The message is unclear, a signal we are only beginning to understand. The universe is speaking in a language we have yet to learn. For generations we built our story of the cosmos, of the Big Bang, of cosmic evolution, of the relentless expansion of space. We thought we understood the script, but the universe, in its infinite complexity, loves to humble us. It reminds us that the unknown is far greater than the known. This new finding is a cosmic curveball, an impossible artifact from the depths of time, as if an archaeologist unearthed a device from the future in ancient ruins. Webb's latest image reveals an object that should not exist. Too big, too complex, too old for its place in the cosmic timeline. It is a ghost in the machine, a glitch in the matrix. The very bedrock of cosmology is shaking. Textbooks written last year are already relics. This is not a footnote, it's the start of a new chapter in the story of the universe. When you stare into the abyss of deep space and it stares back with the impossible, everything changes. We are standing at the edge of the unknown, looking at a universe far stranger and more wondrous than we ever imagined. The age of cosmic certainty is over. The era of cosmic confusion and boundless possibility has just begun. To truly grasp the magnitude of this groundbreaking discovery, to understand its profound implications for our understanding of the universe, you need to understand the incredible machine behind it all, the technological marvel that makes these observations possible. The James Webb Space Telescope, jwst, a name that will forever be etched in the annals of astronomical history, isn't just another telescope observing the cosmos, it's a time machine, peering back into the universe's infancy. Launched on Christmas Day in 2021, after decades of planning and development, it sits 1,000,000 miles from Earth, far beyond the Moon's orbit, at the second Lagrange point, a gravitationally stable location, meticulously shielded from the sun's heat and light by its massive sunshield. Its iconic golden mirror, composed of 18 hexagonal segments, captures the faintest light that has traveled billions of years from the most distant reaches of the universe. Unlike Hubble, which primarily sees visible and ultraviolet light, offering a more local view of the cosmos, Webb is fundamentally an infrared observatory. Its superpower, allowing it to see what Hubble could not. As the universe expands at an accelerating rate, light from the earliest galaxies, the first stars, is stretched into infrared wavelengths. Webb is specifically built to detect this redshifted light, revealing the universe's hidden secrets. Hubble gave us the universe's stunning photo album, filled with beautiful portraits of mature galaxies. Webb gives us the baby pictures, capturing the faint glow of infant galaxies as they first began to form. Its infrared vision pierces through obscuring cosmic dust clouds, which are opaque to visible light, revealing the hidden processes of star formation and the evolution of galaxies over 13.5 billion light-years away, nearly to the dawn of time. Every Webb image is a potential revolution in our understanding of the cosmos, a glimpse into the unknown, drilling into the bedrock of cosmic history, uncovering the secrets of the early universe. We expected to find faint, clumpy proto-galaxies, disorganized and chaotic, the presumed building blocks of today's grand, well-defined spiral and elliptical structures. But theories, no matter how elegant, are just ideas until rigorously tested against empirical evidence. Webb's new observation, however, dramatically breaks all the existing models, challenging our fundamental assumptions. The infant universe, it turns out, is far more mature and structured than we ever thought possible. The cosmos is revealing secrets we never imagined, rewriting the textbooks of astronomy before our very eyes. So, after all the anticipation, the meticulous planning, and the groundbreaking technology, what did Webb actually find out there in the vast expanse of the cosmos? What secrets did it unlock, peering back into the earliest moments of the universe? In a patch of sky that looks utterly empty and unremarkable to the naked eye, a seemingly barren void, Webb stared intently, patiently collecting data for hundreds upon hundreds of hours, a testament to its unwavering focus. It meticulously collected photons, those tiny packets of light that had been traveling for over 13 billion years since nearly the dawn of time. Astronomers, poring over the data, saw thousands upon thousands of tiny, faint, red-shifted smudges, the very first fledgling galaxies just beginning to take shape in the early universe. But then, amidst all of this expected discovery, something else emerged. An object of impossible scale and complexity, a structure that defied all expectations, affectionately nicknamed by the astronomers as the Cosmic Kraken, a name that hints at its immense size and mysterious nature. Officially catalogued as ZNZ-13A, a designation that belies its extraordinary nature, it exists a mere 400 million years after the Big Bang, a time when the universe was still in its infancy. Instead of the expected small, chaotic, and irregular star clusters that should have been present at that time, the Kraken is a vast and intricate web of surprisingly mature galaxies, far more developed than anything scientists anticipated. These galaxies are interconnected by massive streams of gas and stars, forming stellar bridges that span vast cosmic distances. It's absolutely enormous, far too big, too complex, and far too organized to have formed in such a short amount of time after the universe began. Webb's incredible resolution reveals distinct spiral arms and well-defined central bulges within these galaxies, features that are characteristic of much more mature and evolved galaxies that should have taken billions of years to form. To find such well-developed structures so incredibly early in the universe's history is causing a significant cosmological crisis, forcing scientists to re-evaluate their understanding of how galaxies form. The Kraken isn't just some statistical fluke or an anomaly in the data, it's not an optical illusion or a trick of the light caused by gravitational lensing. Every single diagnostic test has been meticulously checked and rechecked. The data is remarkably clean and consistent. The Cosmic Kraken is undeniably real, and right now we have absolutely no idea what it is, how it formed so quickly, or what it implies for our understanding of the early universe. It's a complete mystery. Why is the Cosmic Kraken so troubling? Our universe was supposed to build small things first, merging them over billions of years into larger structures. The Kraken flips this model. A massive interconnected structure appears when only tiny building blocks should exist. To form something this big, matter would have to collapse and organize at impossible speeds. Even stranger, the galaxies inside are chemically mature, showing elements like carbon, oxygen, and iron that should have taken billions of years to form. This suggests stars were forming and dying at a furious rate. The discovery challenges not just galaxy formation but our understanding of dark matter. Maybe dark matter isn't what we thought, or maybe gravity itself behaves differently on these scales. Every possibility is radical, and every possibility is on the table. When news of ZNZ-13A broke, the scientific community erupted. The first reaction, deep skepticism. Emails flew, models were re-examined, and every attempt was made to find a mundane explanation. But the data held up. As skepticism faded, a mix of panic and excitement took over. For senior cosmologists, it's an intellectual crisis. Their life's work now faces a direct contradiction. But for younger researchers, it's a thrilling opportunity, a chance to rewrite the textbooks and launch new careers. Theories once considered fringe are being re-examined. Is it evidence for cosmic strings, a sign of a cyclical universe, or something even stranger? Right now we have more questions than answers. The field is wide open. The person who solves this puzzle could define a generation of science. We are cosmic detectives, staring at a mystery with no clear solution. With a discovery this big, rumors are inevitable. NASA and ESA have been cautious, emphasizing the need for verification. But the careful language has fueled speculation. Are we seeing the whole truth? Some claim NASA is withholding sharper images, hiding details that could be even more shocking. The phrase artificial structure is whispered online. The delay between observation and public release feels like a cover-up to some. Extreme theories abound. Is the Kraken a signal, or does it contain information? While a cover-up is unlikely, the rumors reflect our hopes and anxieties about our place in the universe. The story is already taking on a life of its own. The Cosmic Kraken isn't a minor tweak, it's dynamite for modern cosmology. Our timeline of galaxy formation is in question. The universe built massive, complex structures much faster than we thought possible. This forces us to rethink dark matter and dark energy. Maybe dark matter isn't cold or simple, maybe it's something else entirely. The Kraken could be the key to understanding the invisible 27% of the universe. Even Einstein's theory of gravity might need revision. Perhaps gravity behaved differently in the early universe. Theorists are now free to think outside the box. The textbooks aren't just being edited, they're being rewritten. We're entering a new era of cosmic discovery. While cosmologists debate physics, astrobiologists are electrified. The search for life is shaped by cosmic history. How long it takes for stars to make heavy elements, for planets to form, for life to emerge. The Kraken suggests mature, element-rich galaxies formed just 400 million years after the Big Bang. The building blocks of life were available much earlier than we thought. Planets and maybe life could have formed at the dawn of time. If life can start earlier, it has more time to evolve. What if life has been part of the universe for almost its entire history? The Kraken doesn't prove alien life exists, but it expands the possibilities across space and time. The universe may have been fertile from its earliest moments. The oldest story in the cosmos might be one of biology, not just physics. We stand at a pivotal moment. The James Webb Space Telescope has uncovered a new class of problem, the Cosmic Kraken. It's a monument to our ignorance, and in science, that's the most exciting thing to find. This discovery shatters our cosmic arrogance and invites us into a new era of humility and wonder. The immediate future, a frenzy of observation, analysis, and new models. Every major telescope will target ZNZ 13A, hoping for answers. Theorists will build new models, dark matter, gravity, new physics. Science is a messy, looping path of discovery and debate. The Kraken has thrown us into uncharted territory. We don't know where this leads. Maybe to new forces, maybe to the origins of life. The universe has revealed more of its mystery. The story of the cosmos is still being written, and we're holding the pen.